My girl and I are out having a little nature break. Blue skies, the sun, a little breeze, which is off and on, more full force than others, but very refreshing. We need to get out in nature so we can feel grounded, so we can feel connected to the earth, connected to the love we have for the earth, the love we have for ourselves and others. I wake up every day in love, and I just want to share that with everyone I meet. This is an intention I think that is good for all of us to have. Sharing the love and the light we have inside of us with all we meet, with our pets, with our people, with the earth, with all that we do. Share the love. Share the love from your heart. Salawaya holawaya kashe solo natese solo lo showa naya kayostoya la loketa sarigaro hala show shalala hai shona halo lerika stodoya tadoistanaria say no dorio ho shane hala la leketa skuru ala no yo wadaria shalo hoya naya ta kashori shola la ya to koreana naya soshanaya. Show the love, show the love, show the love, show the love, show the love. Show your love, show your love, show your love, show your love, show your love.